At Safe Work Industries, prevention is our priority. But did you know that recognizing hazards is the first step in protecting our workforce? Your safety starts with awareness. Welcome to our hazard identification and risk assessment training. By the end of this training, you will understand what constitutes a hazard, identify different types of workplace hazards, learn the risk assessment process, understand the hierarchy of controls for managing risks. Here are the crucial types of hazards in your workplace. Definition of hazards is essential for safety awareness. How to define. A hazard is anything that can cause harm or injury. Action. Always report any condition that could be dangerous. Identifying workplace hazards protects everyone. How to identify. Recognize common hazards like chemicals and machinery. Action. Conduct regular safety walks to spot potential risks. The risk assessment process helps ensure safety. How to assess. Evaluate the severity and likelihood of risks. Action. Use a risk matrix to prioritize dangerous situations. Hierarchy of controls directs safety efforts effectively. How to control. Implement proper safety measures based on risk levels. Action. Always use the best methods available to mitigate risks. Let's explore practical examples based on real-world scenarios. A worker notices a machine without safety guards. What should they do? Pause and reflect. Does this equipment have proper guards in place? Your action should be, report any missing guards immediately. An employee sees chemicals not stored properly. What action should they take? Pause and review. Are there chemicals stored correctly to prevent spills? If the answer is no, notify your supervisor to secure the area. Let's summarize the key takeaways. Identifying hazards is crucial for workplace safety. Various types of hazards can arise in work environments. Risk assessment is vital for effective safety management. The hierarchy of controls prioritizes safety solutions. Like, share, and subscribe for the next class of our health and safety management system. Thank you for participating in our hazard identification training.